Have you noticed the accent that you speak in your mind? In this video, we're going to talk about that. Fix the accent you speak in your mind, the rest will take care of itself. So, as you can see, only about 10 in 100 people know about this important method. The rest, unaware, try to figure out why they can't get their accent right. When we are talking in our mind, we most often don't realize in which accent we're talking in. So, even in our second language, we find the hint of our mother tongue. Now that we have spotted the problem, here is the fix. From now on, even in your head, only talk in the desired accent. Remember, this is not a quick fix, but a tedious process that will help you improve your accent with 5 times efficiency. And I'm a living example of this because I'm quite sure that you cannot tell by my accent which country am I from or what my mother language is. So, yes, this method works and I would definitely recommend it. Good luck, everyone.